description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Ranger coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one that comes from Maruchan, and I don't know if it's discontinued or not because I found it at a grocery outlet store where products sometimes go to die. But this is Maruchan Saucy Noods. Spicy creamy chicken, and I have the other one that is the spicy chicken, but this one was at the top of the pile, so I went with this. I've already got one peeled and ready. So yeah, look at that. That's big. So how the heck are ya? It's January 9th, 2026. Right? Not siete. My son is doing Duolingo, so he's constantly spouting out little bits and pieces of Spanish lately, which is cool. Yeah, it's been a weird world lately, hasn't it? I'm guessing you're all the way in May and probably agree. What do you do? I mean, what do you do? Do you do anything? Do you just chill? I don't know, but it's Friday. That is a good thing. Went out, walked a bit. Yesterday was a rad day because my kids went to school, and then around noon my wife had a doctor's appointment, so I went with her to that, and then we had the rest of the day until they got out of school. So we went shopping, and it was really nice. We don't get a lot of time, just me and her, except for dinner, but that's like at the, tail end of the day. Usually we're like pretty beat, but it was nice. Got to go around, got to be us being us. Yeah. So many weird people out there, let me just say that. And then when the hell was that? Things keep falling and settling. We did move a lot of, oh, I know what that was. That was a squirrel. Squirrels go eat the squirrel food, and then sometimes they jump. And that's what happened. But, yeah, wow. You've probably forgotten about this because in the last week, so many things have happened, and I'm sure you've had more weeks since this. Let's see, it's Friday. Last Saturday, they went and absconded with Nicolas Maduro. I think they went and they took an oil tanker. There was mention of us just taking 50 million gallons of oil from Venezuela. And a couple days ago, a lady was shot in Minneapolis and killed. Really doesn't look like she was doing much to warrant that. And I guess a couple in Portland got shot by ICE agents. Yeah, I don't know. Things are getting weird, man. Really weird. I don't know. What are you gonna do? Somebody do something. My doing something is talking about it. Yeah, I don't know. It's a bummer. It's a real bummer. It's embarrassing to me to live in this country currently. Like, all this talk about taking Greenland again, and now we're gonna go. Supposedly, we're gonna go get into Mexico and start doing stuff there. Just irresponsible. World stage crap. Repercussions. Yep. But I do have something neat to report. By now, I'm sure when you're viewing it, I'll have gotten it, and I know I'm going to fast track this one. But my buddy is going to send me the Banana Bulldog, which I believe is only available in China. And I am like stoked. I will review the crap out of that. I will even get a banana. Think of that. I will purchase a banana for the special occasion. Saucy Noods, huh? Well, these look like they're going to be done on time. 5 minutes, huh? I think if these are discontinued, the only reason they would be really is because you have to use a saucepan and people don't read directions. I do. It's what must be done, right? I mean, you gotta read the directions. Okay. Spicy and saucy. I'm gonna use a different accoutrement. I will use this for the stirring situation. I hope it's good. It's possible that it will be good. Possible that it'll be awful. My hope is that it isn't just like violently salty, which is a possibility as well. All the cards are on the table. It seems saucy, but watery. I don't know. Maybe what we have on the bottom is turning into sauce, but it seems pretty well combined. Looks to be a wider noodle than usual. Yeah, I wish I had less crummy news to share on the show today, but it's kind of a crummy world right now. All the prices are going up, and tax season is upon us. And yes, I will be taxed on my Social Security. No tax on tips. No bullshit. Pardon my French. I'm sure most of you speak French. But yeah. We liberals totally welcome you in if you've changed your mind about that guy. I'm very, very liberal and not religious, but you know, I don't have any problem with people who have opposing views to me. Okay, so my take on it, it is slightly creamy. It has a good heat level, but it also has this sweetness. These really aren't bad. These are good. If they are at the grocery outlet store due to being discontinued, that's a shame. Because these are good. Oh, and I'm sore. Oh my god. Yeah, we did Costco yesterday. We did Fred Meyer, which is just a big grocery store. We watched a documentary about the history of Kmart. There were two places I never really went to when I was a kid. My wife did, though. And those two places, I'll be honest, I had never been to a Toys R Us until I went to one with my wife. So I'm like, I was in my 40s. And what's crazy, too, is the Toys R Us that was here in the U.S., the one we went to, which was local, looked like crap. I mean, it was like just a big mess. And then we went up to Canada, and they had one up there, and that was after Toys R Us kind of halted operations here in the U.S. My God, the one in Canada, dude, I swear to God, it was nice. They had everything all decked out and like well done, and yeah, there's a happy little egg. But yeah, there were like people walking around and doing stuff there versus like here where there's nobody, you know, there's like for example, my wife used to manage a big box pharmacy store. Well, I guess it doesn't matter anymore. They don't exist. Rite Aid. She used to manage and work for Rite Aid, and it was awful. She had to work tons of hours, and I barely ever saw her at some points, and there was always these threats from above that, oh, this big wig is going to show up, and blah, 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 blah. Often never would. It was stupid. It was really stupid. I'm so glad she doesn't do that anymore. But the last place she managed, it was her and generally a cashier, and they would have like, I think she was in charge of a 10,000 foot store. And people would come in and steal stuff. And you would have like organized rings of people that would just like come and just like steal tons of stuff. And was it their fault? I mean, the people stealing it, yeah. But the fault of it is that they wouldn't really do much as far as go after these people, the corporate side of things. Corporations have made it very, very easy in the retail trade to go steal stuff. When you don't have enough people minding the store, hey, open game. Sucks. Well, thanks for watching. I am just freaking beat, folks. I did all this stuff with my wife yesterday, and I am sore. All the groceries and anyways, I'm gonna take some nice pictures and finish up for the day, and you'll see me on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Go check out www.theramenraider.com. That's where you're going to find all my junk. So do it. All right. Well, keep it smooth, keep it cool, keep it clean. All right. Sooner.